The Apache, a legend in the sky, the AH-64 Apache, a name that echoes power, precision, and unmatched prowess in the air. This ain't your grandpappy's chopper. It's a marvel of modern engineering. This is a flying tank, designed to withstand the harshest conditions. Built for one thing, dominating the battlefield with unparalleled firepower. Since the 80s, this bird's been the US Army's main attack helicopter, a symbol of strength. And trust me, it's earned its stripes through countless missions and battles. From Panama to Afghanistan, the Apache's been a game changer, altering the course of conflicts. Armed to the teeth, it takes out tanks, bunkers, you name it. No target is too tough. But even this beast needs a little TLC to stay in top shape. And that's where the real heroes come in. The dedicated crews who keep these birds flying, ensuring they are always mission ready. Day or night, rain or shine, the Apache stands ready, a true legend in the sky. Step inside one of these repair hangars and you'll immediately sense the magnitude of the operation. The weight of the mission is palpable, hanging in the air like a heavy fog. It's more than just a building. It's a fortress of precision and dedication. It's a cathedral dedicated to keeping these machines operational. A sanctuary for the unsung heroes who maintain them. Millions and millions of dollars invested in this space. And for good reason. You got specialized tools, each one designed for a specific task, cranes big enough to lift a house, towering over the hangar floor like mechanical giants, and enough spare parts to build a whole new helicopter from scratch, meticulously organized and ready for use. The air hums with a quiet intensity. Mechanics move with purpose, their faces focused. They know the stakes. Every bolt tightened, every wire connected is a step towards mission success. This ain't your local mechanic's shop. We're talking cutting-edge technology here. Computerized diagnostic systems that'd make NASA jealous. They can pinpoint a problem down to a single wire. Hydraulic lifts that can raise an entire helicopter with the push of a button. And then there's the tools themselves. Torque wrenches the size of your arm, specialized sockets for every bolt and screw. It's a symphony of technology, all working to keep these birds in the fight. Section 4. The crew. Mechanics with a mission. The men and women who work here, they're a different breed. They're the best of the best. Years of training, countless hours of hands-on experience. These guys can strip down an Apache engine and put it back together blindfolded. Almost. They treat each helicopter like it's their own, because they know that somewhere, some soldier's life depends on it. It's a brotherhood, a sisterhood of skill and dedication, and they wouldn't have it any other way. Section 5. Keeping the Apaches flying, a matter of national security. The AH-64 Apache helicopters are not just machines, they are the guardians of our skies, the protectors of our freedom. These hangars, these mechanics, they're all part of something bigger. National security. Every bolt tightened, every rotor blade inspected, every engine fine-tuned contributes to a larger mission. It's a meticulous process, ensuring that each Apache is ready for any challenge. The Apache is a symbol of American power, a deterrent to our enemies. It stands as a testament to our technological prowess and our commitment to defense. When these helicopters take to the skies, they send a clear message. We are prepared, we are vigilant. And as long as these birds are in the sky, our soldiers have the edge. They provide critical air support, reconnaissance, and a sense of security to the troops on the ground. The presence of an Apache can turn the tide of battle, offering a strategic advantage. So next time you see an Apache soaring overhead, remember the men and women who keep it flying. Their dedication and expertise ensure that these helicopters are always mission ready. They work tirelessly, often behind the scenes, to maintain the fleet. They might not wear capes, but trust me, they're heroes. Their skills and commitment are what keep our skies safe. They are the unsung heroes of our national defense, ensuring that every Apache is in peak condition. They're the ones who make sure that freedom continues to ring, loud and clear. Their work is a testament to the strength and resilience of our nation. Every time an Apache takes flight, it is a reminder of their invaluable contribution to our security.